Hey guys, welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie and this is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. As you can see, I am doing a vlog. A lot of you have been DMing me saying, I hope you vlogged, girl. Y'all, it's a lot going on, okay? So I'm just gonna walk through just everything and input some vlog clips because I don't know, when I vlog I don't speak. I'm trying to get into the speaking during the vlog. I probably did speak a little bit, but I'm just gonna input clips. So first things first, you guys are wondering why I don't post on YouTube as much. It's because I'm falling out of love with YouTube. Like, I try so hard and YouTube does not give me the credit I feel like I deserve. And yes, I've been on here for like 5-6 years, and yo girl, it's time to pivot, honestly, because I can't keep hustling like this. The hustle is for the younger girls. I am trying to build security and chill. This hustle mentality is just, I can't keep doing it anymore. But of course, I'm gonna still post. Maybe I'll start posting more vlog content. A lot of you guys really like me or the behind the scenes of me creating content, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm pivoting. I'm going to be trying more the UGC route with helping companies create content and being a brand strategist, because I feel like that is my calling. I can't do this whole entrepreneurship anymore. I want to work for companies now, and it's not for everybody, and it's just maybe I'm not that girl that gets like a lot of engagement, all that, like, you know. So, and I'm fine with that. Okay, I am fine with that, but I still love this life. I still love creating content and just advancing in my creativity. So of course I'm staying in the field. It's just the influencing thing, girl. I don't know. It's getting real toxic. These companies are getting real toxic, and I want to work with companies that really are there for me, love me, and appreciate the work that I put out. So yeah, that's just a life update on the reason why I don't post as much on YouTube. If you are watching this, continue to please support. You know, it helps a lot. Like, it really helps a lot. And of course, I'm going to be bringing you guys along the journey because there's a lot happening in my life, and it's just overwhelming. I'm feeling God's presence and just the blessings that he has in store for me if I keep following him and keep having faith. So yeah, girl. So now we're gonna hop into this vlog. It was my boyfriend's birthday, so we did a lot this whole weekend. We rented out, we got a room at the W Hotel, and it was really nice. A big room, had everything. Bar. We were just chilling. A lot of the friends and family came over to celebrate my boyfriend's birthday. We went to a restaurant and ate. We just really relaxed and tried to unwind. But overall, the whole W experience was really nice. I created like some shower content because the shower was bomb, like marble everywhere. They gave us robes. They gave us some glasses or wine glasses for champagne. They had it all decked out. Like, it was an $800 room. So it was definitely like, I don't know if it was worth it, honestly, because it still felt a little ghetto. Maybe because it was in Hollywood, and Hollywood is a little ghetto. But overall, the experience was really nice. The aesthetic was unmatched. I love the room. The bathroom was my favorite, of course, because white and marble, modern. Yes. But yeah, so after that, I had to go home. We went to a brunch spot. When we checked out, picked up my little dog, and we ended up going home, and I had to pack again for the Amazon influencer trip. Oh my gosh, you guys, let me spill the tea. How I got invited, which is wild. I technically didn't get invited. My friend mentioned me to them and they invited me. So my homegirl, Nola Viva, definitely follow her. She got invited to the Amazon influencer trip and I was so psyched for her. She was like, oh, did you get an invite? I was like, no, girl, they do not be inviting me to events. I don't know what it is with brands, but why are you not inviting me? So she ended up DMing or messaging them back saying, hey, can my friend have her own room? Like, can she be invited as well? Be a part of the influencer trip just because she is also an Amazon influencer as well. And they agreed. They're like, yeah. And so, yeah, they invited me. First, they invited me to a whole nother event, but I couldn't because it was my boyfriend's birthday. So I was like, I can't even go to this event that they're trying to send me to, but I would love to go to the Austin event. And they're like, yeah, let me book your flight. They booked the room, girl, everything top tier. Okay. So I ended up flying with Delta, and my girl, Nyla, on social media, I met her in person at another brand event, and she had the she was a Sky Club member. I think that's what it's called. To where you get basically perks to going into the lounge, where you get free drinks, free food, free everything. Everything's luxurious. Everything's so chill because the airport is so like busy, especially LAX. It's so busy, disgusting, a lot of people. And I just felt like, you know what? I'm going to this Amazon influencer event. I'm flying Delta. Might as well get the Delta Sky Club. I had already the Amex Business Delta Sky Club credit card, but that didn't count for the Delta Sky Club membership. So it's two different things. But I already had the credit card, so I just purchased the lounge, which was like $500 a year. So I got that, and girl, I pulled up to that thing, scanned my little boarding pass, went on up the lounge, top tier. The breakfast was so good. They had like super cool areas that you could chill at. They have free Wi-Fi. I got myself a little mimosa. Don't have a mimosa at 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna let you know this now. Do not have a mimosa at 8 o'clock in the morning, because I had the bubble guts in the airplane. So don't do that. Don't mix champagne and coffee in the morning. Don't do it. No matter how excited you are, don't do it, please. Because that flight was like horrible for me because I just had the bubble guts. My stomach was hurting so bad, on top of me being nervous because it's my first brand trip. So I just was like, oh my gosh. And then I just kind of felt a little unprepared for the trip because everybody had their makeup done, all that. I came fresh face, whatever, because the moment I landed, I had to go to the hotel. They didn't give us our hotel keys until 4 o'clock. We came there around like 3 o'clock. So we still had to take like a lot of content for Amazon, and it was just a lot. So let me backtrack back to the airport. So I did have a great flight, but it could have been better if I didn't drink mimosas. But I met up with my girl, Nola. She had a delay, so we ended up being able to be at the same airport at the same time. So I ended up changing my clothes, and I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna fresh face it. She got ready. She got her makeup on, all that. I should have put my makeup on. I should have put my makeup on, girl. But that's okay, because your girl looked cute without makeup, period, okay? So we ended up getting the Uber. That was taken care of. They gave us some vouchers. We went to the Uber. We went to the proper hotel in downtown Austin, Texas. And if you guys don't know, I was born in Austin, Texas. So majority of my family's in Austin. So I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. Okay. So I've been in Austin, period. And so we ended up getting inside the hotel, or when we got dropped off, the people in the front grabbed our luggage. We didn't have to do anything. We didn't even lift a finger, okay? I felt very taken care of. We ended up checking up in the front. They put us to the second floor, and they had champagne waiting for us, Amazon gift cards waiting for us, a little mingling charcuterie board waiting for us. So we were just chilling or whatever. So then we ended up going to the content room, which I can't show you yet, but you will see it later on. We took a bunch of content. We filmed commercials, lights, camera, action. Mind you, I had no makeup on. I was just not prepared for it at all, but that's okay because I still look cute without makeup. We're just gonna keep saying that. So upset. But once we got our key card and went to our rooms, honey, the room was magnificent. Oh my gosh, luxurious, full bar, all that. Gave us $150 credit to use anything up in that room. Girl, I felt like I was a queen. It was a bomb, like windows, high rise. I just felt like I was a high rise. I just felt luxurious. Of course, I had to make up for not coming out looking bomb. So, you know, I had to get ready, put my face on, my outfit on. Hey y'all, so I finally have time to talk because I don't know, it just has been so hectic with everything. Everything's on a time constraint, so I'm trying to, you know, do my makeup and all this as fast as I can because they want us down at the lobby by 6 o'clock because we're gonna go to an Airbnb to have dinner. So I don't want to be late and all that. You know, I am a time-mannered person. I love being on time and early. And of course, I want enough time to take content, photos and stuff in the outfit because the outfit about to hit. My outfit gonna hit, girl. So I just want to make sure everything is popping. The makeup is together. So yeah, girl. Trying to blend everything out. I don't know, I just feel so blessed. I feel like life is moving so fast, way too fast for me to even process what's happening right now. But man, God is working, and I'm so grateful for him. I'm just so grateful. Amazon, the team is super nice and sweet. I'm just so happy that I was able to join them. Y'all, my curling iron broke, so I couldn't even curl my hair. I just felt like when good things happen, it's always the devil always wants to make it not good for you. But I still had a positive mindset. I was like, you know what, it's still hot. Curls is gonna fall anyways, okay? So I still look good. Got on my all white. We was ready. I took some content photos inside the hotel and then outside the hotel, and I ended up meeting some more creators downstairs, which was amazing. The vibes were just amazing. And so they ended up getting Ubers, and tell me why all of the Ubers were electric cars. I felt like that was just eco-friendly, okay? So we ended up going downstairs, getting into our little Tessie, with my bestie. I'm just kidding. But we ended up driving to an Airbnb where they had everything set up for us for the dinner party and a cocktail hour. So they had bomb jalapeno margaritas. They had champagne. They had amazing food. Compliments to the chef because the food was magnificent. We had amazing conversations. I had amazing conversations with other creators. We're learning new things. I just felt like the community, surrounding yourself with other creators, just definitely makes life a little bit easier because the mental that comes with being an influencer / content creator is horrible. And I just felt like being able to vent to other creators and really see what they do, tips and tricks that they do, really helped. And it was just nothing but positive, amazing vibes. The aesthetic, the room, amazing. Okay, I loved it. I just felt so blessed. God, thank you. Even though I wasn't first pick, I still felt like I belonged, and like I really showed them like this is what, ooh, food is here. Yes, after that, I went home, I went back to the room, had an amazing shower. Puff! Ended up talking to my boyfriend, and just calling my boyfriend and my parents and showing them the room, because I was just so excited. I wanted to share everything, every moment with my family and my closest friends and stuff. So yeah, I ended up doing that and then going to sleep. The best sleep I ever had. I wish I didn't have to wake up super early, because tell me why Amazon booked a whole itinerary. They're literally using every minute of the day for something. So I had to wake up early around like 8 to get ready, full face. I wore my airport outfit. I wish I wouldn't have. I wish I would have. There's a lot of things I wish I could have done, but I know it was my first brand trip. I know next time I'm coming out with the outfits. You will not catch me slipping, period. But so I had my airport outfit on, still looking cute. I ended up going downstairs to get some breakfast. They had facials, massage, manicures. This is the manicure that I got with my little natural nails. So cute. I ended up getting like a back massage. I didn't get facial because I already did my makeup, so I didn't want to do all that. And then after that, I ended up going upstairs to create even more content at the content suite. So I can't wait to show you all the stuff that I got from Amazon, but I can't show you guys yet because I signed an NDA. Okay, so I can't show you, but just know Prime Day, July 13th, 12th, and 13th. Okay, be ready for that. I have all the hookups, y'all, all the sales. Okay, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so now I'm home. I just flew back in yesterday and I'm going out. So I got a pajama party that I'm going to in like a few hours. So I was like, might as well turn on the camera, all that. But that's basically like the overall vlog and just everything that's happening in my life. I will do another update a little bit more so I could tell you guys more of what's happening, but I don't want to talk about it just yet until it happens, because there's a lot of things in the works, but it's not official. But just know, like, your hard work will not go unnoticed. Keep going hard, keep working hard, and make sure you're communicating and going to different events and being around other influencers, and find a community where you can grow up with. Because if it wasn't for my homegirl Nola because we started YouTube in our social media journey together. Like we started at the bottom together. So it was like we developed a relationship. I developed a lot of relationships with influencers and we both grew. So when one opportunity happens for the other, we bring each other along. So that's basically the secret to maybe getting invited to events and being able to be surrounded by other creators, is to find friends that aren't in the same field and lean on each other and really communicate with each other, work with each other, and just build relationships, because it's better to grow with other people instead of growing by yourself. And yeah, that's basically it on the whole vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I showed you, and just a little mini update of what's happening this whole week. And thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, y'all. And I'll be seeing you in my next video.